Guys, I'm demonstrating you this vegetables delivery app. I got three apps in front of me. This one is the customers app. This one is the store managers app. And this one right here is the drivers app, where the driver can update the status. Now I'll show you the placing the order from the customer app and then going through all the process, okay? In here, I can see, I can have those banners. I can manage it from the admin panel. Here I can see the categories, the subcategories, fruits and vegetables are the top level categories. And then under that, we can have some subcategories, right? And let's say if I click on this broccoli, right? I can see the items under that and I can add it. If I click on it, you see, it is updated right there. And I can go back to, some other, let's say I go to Apple. From here, I can also add some, okay? Now I can also go to the search panel and I can quickly search for, by the name, right? Okay, let me go back. And if I go to my basket now, I'll be able to see all items I've added in here. From here, I can also update the items, right? You can see right there, I can see the subtotal and the taxes. CGST and SGST are the taxes, and then the grand total 246, right? I'm clicking to proceed to checkout. Okay, in here I got two options: home delivery and store pickup, right? Let's say if the customer needs, they're gonna pick up from the store. That way they will be saving the delivery cost. Now for the demo, I'm using home delivery. Okay, you see by default we got this address, and we have this option of default address concept. By that, we're gonna save time for the user to select address. But customer can also change it by clicking here and then changing a different one. All right. Then I got the option to select the delivery time. If I want, I can go to different dates and then I can select the time slot. Okay. Now some instructions for the delivery boy if they want to add. If they don't want to add, they can skip it. And then you can see right there we have a delivery fee. Okay, and everything is shown nicely. Right now I'm clicking on proceed to payment. Then right there I can see how I want to pay for this order. If I select on card payment, I can put my card details or something, but for now I'm just using cash payment. Okay. Right there, I can use my promo code or I can use the points. Now, points is the cashback point stuff, right? Let's say if I want to use my cashback points, I can use it and, it will apply the discount over those points. Now, in here, apply the point of 12, units for the currency, okay? Now, I'm placing the order. Now, as soon as the order is placed, the provider is notified that, that the order has been placed and that is the order ID, please accept it soon. Now they'll be able to see the order in here. On the customer app, if I click on view order details, they'll be able to see it from here. Okay, they can see all the order details with the payment summary and everything. Okay, they can also go from here and then click on the order details, for all the order list. Okay, now the provider the provider has option to accept the order. So I'm on the provider app, I'm accepting the order. On the customer, we're going to notify, that the order is accepted by the store and, like it will be accepted soon. Now it is gone because I've opened the app, right? Now, again, the manager has option to process it, then mark it as ready. The moment we mark it as ready, we're going to assign the order, the delivery order automatically to this driver, okay? Like for the notification, I have the notification stuff, so I will be just turning it on. Then I will be marking the processing. Then on the customer app, it says, hey, couple status of orders, the ID is updated, right? Now I'm marking it as ready, okay? Now the moment I do it, it will send a request to the driver, and it is sending a delivery request. If I click on it, okay, now at the same time the customer is notified the delivery boy is on the way and they will be on the way to the store. Now at this moment the delivery boy will be able to see from where they have to pick up that particular order. All right, so they can go to that, they can click on it, and from there they'll be able to see the the real-time tracking or the navigation to that store in the Google Maps. Okay, so it is finding the best store right now. So that's been said, right? So this is gonna look like. Okay, if I want to switch, it is right there. Okay, I'm just going back to my app now. Okay, so the navigation is shown there. Okay, if in case they want to switch over, so they can see it right there. So for now I close it, and then I can mark it as marked right. It means I'm arrived at the store. Now the customer is notified that the delivery boy has arrived at the store to collect the order. Okay. Now they're gonna start the delivery task. It means now they are delivering to the customer. Now they can click on it. Now the moment this is changed. I mean, you see right there, that was a pickup and delivery task. Now they're into delivery task, right? They can click on it. Now they can see the customer address. Okay. So I'll click on start delivery task. Okay, and the customer is notified the order is collected and delivery has collected from the store and will be delivering it very soon. Now this delivery guy has the option to complete that task. Okay, like before completing, they have the option to get the signatures or put some images. If they want, let's say if they click on add signatures, they'll be able to get the signatures from the customer, right? And they can add a signature, right? Now it is saved right there. Now they have the option, they can complete the task. Okay, now the moment they will be completing a task, the order will be complete. You see the order was 807, and if it's right there, it is completed and it is going to the completed. Now the moment driver is completing the task, automatically we are completing the order and we are notifying the customer that the order is being successfully delivered, right? Now let's go back to the customer app. Okay, now you see the order is completed, and if I go back to my, so I mean we are giving the customer some cashback points. If I go to my wallet, I can see here 24 points cashback earned from order 807. Right now these points customer can again use in the next order. It can retain the customer for a longer time. All right, now I mean this was pretty much all, and then from here they can see all the orders. Let's say if I go to the orders, they'll be able to see, they will be able to put some messages or something. If they want to send to the store manager, they can call the store manager, right? And then they can see the address they added, or they can see the driver details. Okay, I mean who delivered the order, right? And then once the order is completed, they have the option to leave the feedback. Okay, like they can click here, right? Or they can put cut job or something, anything. I mean they can put some comment, they can skip it if you want. They submit it and the order feedback is submitted. And the next thing is they can see some coupon notifications, everything is shown right there. Okay, and then last they have the profile menu where they'll be able to edit their profile if they want to, right? And then they'll be able to change the password. They can refer to their friends. I mean this is a really good concept where they can invite their friends by sharing their referral code, right? And they can message or they can WhatsApp. I mean if the WhatsApp is sold, they're gonna see it right there. Okay, I mean that's how they're gonna earn some referral cashback as well. And then that is the help and FAQ section where they'll be able to see all the the FAQ questions, right? And they can filter it right from there. Okay, and let's say if they click on it, right, they'll be able to see the answer in detail, and they also got the option to what that was this helpful or not. Let's say if I say no and thanks for your feedback. It's in case they want to see the answer you added is correct or not, right? I'm going back. And then in the support section, they can call the support, they can send an email. Let's say if they click on that, they can simply clicking on the support number. Okay, and then some social media accounts. You can put Facebook, Google, or Twitter, whatever your social media accounts are there. And I mean if they're clicking on it and the Facebook app is installed, then this particular link will be opening in the Facebook app. So your Facebook page gonna open up in the Facebook app. Okay, then some terms and conditions if you want to put, that will be manageable from the admin panel. And yeah, so that's pretty much all for the customer app, right? And you can contact us after you watch the video. All right, thank you.